Welcome to the Oils and Herbs channel. Today we will be talking about foods that can help flush nicotine out of the body. Smoking is a harmful habit that can lead to various health issues, including cancer, heart disease, and respiratory problems. If you're trying to quit smoking, then you may be interested in learning about natural ways to get nicotine out of your body. In this video, we will discuss some foods that can help you do just that. Water. Water is essential for the body, and it can help flush out toxins, including nicotine. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day can help you stay hydrated and support your body's natural detoxification process. Aim for at least 8 to 10 glasses of water per day. Green tea. Green tea contains antioxidants that can help detoxify the body. The antioxidants in green tea can help repair damage caused by smoking and reduce the risk of cancer. Drinking a cup or two of green tea daily can help flush nicotine out of your system. Fruits. Fruits are a great source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help your body eliminate nicotine. Fruits like oranges, kiwis, and strawberries are high in vitamin C, which can help repair tissue damage and support the immune system. Other fruits like watermelon, pineapple, and mangoes contain enzymes that can help break down nicotine. Vegetables. Like fruits, vegetables are a great source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Vegetables like broccoli, spinach, and kale are high in vitamins A, C, and K, which can help repair tissue damage and support the immune system. Other vegetables like cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage contain enzymes that can help break down nicotine. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are a great source of protein and healthy fats that can help support the body's detoxification process. Walnuts, almonds, and Brazil nuts are high in vitamin E, which can help repair tissue damage caused by smoking. Flax seeds and chia seeds contain fiber that can help remove nicotine from the body. Ginger. Ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory that can help reduce inflammation caused by smoking. It can also help flush toxins from the body. Ginger can be added to tea, smoothies, or used in cooking. Garlic. Garlic is another natural anti-inflammatory that can help reduce inflammation caused by smoking. It can also help boost the immune system and promote detoxification. Garlic can be added to meals or taken in supplement form. There you have it, some foods that can help flush nicotine out of the body. If you're trying to quit smoking, incorporating these foods into your diet can help support your body's natural detoxification process. However, it's important to note that these foods should not be used as a substitute for quitting smoking altogether. Quitting smoking can be challenging, but it's the best thing you can do for your health. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness videos.